What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa and I see some guys who are doing everything right. They're well groomed, they're killing it when it comes to their careers, but for whatever reason they decide to wear some stuff that is just killing their style. And these guys are everywhere. It's your colleague at work or your friends at school. We love them, right? But it's like, we question what the hell was going on through their minds this morning when they got dressed. And to make sure that doesn't happen to you, we're gonna go over 5 items that are possibly destroying your game, and we're gonna go over how to fix them too. Starting with old socks. And I know that you know exactly what I'm talking about. You know, the ones with the holes, or the ones that no matter how much you wash them, you can wash them thousands of times back to back, they still look dirty. And for whatever reason we keep them. Why? I don't even know why. I've done it. I'm guilty. But someday it's gonna catch up to you because you're gonna go to your homie's house and he's gonna say, hey man, can you take off your shoes to come in? And you're gonna be like, not today, no. So get rid of them, all right? You don't need them, they don't look good, and socks are pretty cheap. You can buy new ones, right? You don't have to buy super expensive socks. Plus, even if you're not taking your shoes off, sometimes when you're wearing like skinny jeans or fitted chinos, when you sit down or even when you're walking sometimes, you can see the socks. So you don't want anything that's dirty or stained or you have holes in them showing up. I would actually say that you should invest in darker colors as well, just because white socks, they tend to get dirty pretty quickly and it's hard to wash them. And the dark socks, not only do they last longer because they're not gonna get as dirty, but they also look good with most of your outfits. Number 2, stained t-shirts. It's all fun and games until you have to raise your arm for whatever reason, and there it is. Nice big pit stain right there. It could be from sweat, it could be from your deodorant, it doesn't really matter. It's always gonna happen regardless of how much you paid for that t-shirt. Here's a tip for you guys though. Get half a cup of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of salt, and then 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide and mix it together. Then you can apply it to your shirt, to the stain, leave it for 20 to 30 minutes, and throw it in the dryer. That's gonna make them a lot better, so that way you don't have to throw them away and they'll be cleaner. Number 3, a worn out belt. Now, a lot of guys think that belts are just there to serve a purpose, right? They're holding your pants up and that's it. But the thing is, your belt is part of your outfit as well, especially if you're gonna tuck your shirt in. Having an old belt that's like crinkly and faded, it kills your game. It just looks like you don't care. You look sloppy. And not just that, but if you're gaining or losing weight, you're constantly just punching new holes into the belt. And that doesn't look good at all. Today's video sponsor is Anson Belt, and they have all of those issues covered. Anson Belt has completely changed the game when it comes to belts. The way it works is that you just get one really long belt, you adjust it to your ideal length, and you cut it with a regular pair of scissors. That's it. It has these micro adjustments so you can get that perfect fit every time. You no longer have to decide between choosing one hole that makes your pants too tight or the other that makes it too loose, which is so annoying. They have tons of color options and different materials like canvas and leather, and you can even choose whatever you want from the buckles as well. They have different really dope buckles with different styles and colors that you can pick from. So you can go for casual wear or business attire, it doesn't really matter. And they have a box set where you can choose 3 belt options with 2 different buckles. And that means that you're getting 6 different combinations of belts. Their quality is amazing as well, all right? So good that Anson Belt offers a lifetime warranty with their belts. Holiday season is almost here. If you're looking for a gift for someone special, your dad, your brother, your uncle, or even if you're looking for a gift for yourself, I think this box set is a great option. I'm gonna leave Anson Belt linked in the description below so you can go check it out. Pick your belts, pick your buckles, and make your options come in that box set. This next one I have a personal issue with. I just don't understand why guys still carry a VELCRO wallet. It blows my mind. Your wallet is what people are gonna notice when you're out paying for something, right? Especially if you're out on a dinner date, for example, and you wanna be cool and pay for the dinner date, and then you take out that wallet. I hope it's not a VELCRO Spider-Man wallet, because I have a feeling that she's probably not gonna wanna see you again because she's not gonna take you seriously if you pull out a VELCRO wallet. It just makes you look like you're still a kid, which is not the look that we're going for here. If it has sentimental value, which I know some of them do, put it in your bedroom, put it in your drawer, like in the back of your drawer so that nobody has to see it, but you know that it's there and you can keep it forever. Not only that, but usually VELCRO wallets are thicker, they're chunkier, which means that when you put them in your pockets, your butt will look big, you're gonna have that bulge that you don't, not the good bulge, the bad bulge that you don't want, right? Invest in a leather wallet that's a little bit thinner. And pro tip for you guys here, please stop leaving crap in your wallet, like receipts and cards that you never use. clean it out because it's gonna make you feel so much more organized and it's gonna make you look more organized as well. Having a lot of random things in your wallet is just not a good way to live because you pull that out and it's like cards sticking out and paper sticking out. This is a personal note to my dad, actually. I've never seen a man with more random crap in his wallet than my dad. I don't know how he does it. Number 5, I think the worst thing that anyone could wear, the thing that would kill their style completely and that I see happening a lot still, is baggy clothing. I don't understand why guys still wear this. Why do you have all of that extra fabric, right? It's like 3 times the width of your legs. Why? It just makes you look so sloppy. Trousers and jeans, they need to hug your legs properly because that will show the shape of your body. It will make you look taller, it'll make you look slimmer. If you're a little bit overweight, maybe don't go with the super skinny fit, go with like a slim fit. And if you're skinny, then you can go a little bit tighter. This is by far the #1 style killer of them all, just ill-fitting bottoms in general. Take them to a tailor and ask the tailor to taper them in so they can hug your legs properly. Guys, if you made it this far, I really hope that I could help you look and feel better in any way. Don't forget to check out Anson Belt and see all the different options they have for belts and buckles, and make sure to get your box set. And of course, follow me on Instagram at Alex Costa. I post there a lot. I'm doing a lot of stories and letting you know, behind the scenes. You can see my apartment and whatnot. So yeah, give me a follow. It's at Alex Costa. And subscribe if you like this video to make sure that you're not missing out on the next ones. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.